So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you create a basic web app using Streamlit, which is a Python based library. So for that, firstly you open your VS Code and open your desired folder by going in this file tab here and then open folder. Okay, we will create a new file named as main.py. Now what you have to do is you have to install Streamlit. For that, go in your terminal and install pip install Streamlit. Just hit this command. It is showing requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this one. Okay, go in your main.py and then import Streamlit. Import Streamlit as st. Okay, then you have to title your web page. st.title. st.title. This will be our simple Streamlit app. Simple Streamlit app. Okay. Then we will set a header for this. Header. In this header, we will be having a message named as welcome. Okay, and then you have to write some data here. This is a basic Streamlit app like this. Basic Streamlit app. Okay, and then what you have to do is we will take a name input from user. Name equals st.text input. Text input. Enter your name. Then what you have to do is if name contains some values, that means if he had put some values in this particular variable, then it is have to show st.success. st.success and then f and then hello with username with name. Okay, with line change \n. How are you? How are you? Okay, so this part is done. If we want the name as well as age input also, then we will take this as a number st dot slider. We will take a slider for this. Slider, pick your age. Pick your age. And the slider values will be from 0 to 100. st dot write your age is that particular number. That particular number. With f here. Okay, so we are done. Now let's try running this app. Open your terminal and type streamlit run main.py. You can just simply go here. Okay, this is our basic Streamlit app. My name is Pratham, so I will be typing this one and hitting enter. It is showing, hello Pratham, how are you? my age is like 21. So you can see that it is showing my age and as well as a greeting for me. So this was our basic Streamlit app, which you can also build. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.